Today I am reviewing the Beelink GTi14 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of the Beelink GTi14 lies the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, a 16-core, 22-thread beast with speeds up to 5.1 GHz. It's not just a CPU, it integrates a GPU and NPU, which means it combines graphics processing and artificial intelligence capabilities right on the same chip. This is part of Intel's new era of chip architecture, and it delivers. Whether you're multitasking across demanding software, running simulations, editing video, or diving into immersive games, this chip keeps up without breaking a sweat. With Intel R graphics, you also get hardware-accelerated ray tracing for stunning visuals, smooth rendering, and sharp detail. But the performance doesn't stop there. This mini PC comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz. That's some of the fastest memory available on the market right now, and it's expandable up to a whopping 96 GB, future-proofing your setup for years to come. Alongside it, you've got a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD with blazing read and write speeds and room for expansion thanks to dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 X4 slots. Boot times are near instant. Applications launch in a flash, and large file transfers feel seamless. What sets the GTi14 apart from other mini PCs isn't just raw power, it's smart features and thoughtful design. This unit features AI-powered voice interaction, thanks to a smart microphone array paired with the B1 chip for intelligent noise reduction. Whether you're issuing voice commands or on a video call, your voice remains crystal clear even in noisy environments. This makes it perfect for hybrid workers, streamers, or content creators on the go. Security is another strong point. The built-in fingerprint sensor enables fast, secure login without passwords. It's a small touch that saves time and adds peace of mind. And speaking of design, the built-in dual speakers deliver clean, balanced audio, so you won't need to clutter your desk with external speakers. On the connectivity front, Beelink didn't hold back. This mini PC supports Thunderbolt 4, dual 2.5G LAN ports, and the latest Wi-Fi 7, which is up to 2.7 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. Whether you're transferring massive files, live streaming, or gaming online, expect rock-solid speeds and low latency. There's also Bluetooth 5.4, giving you improved range and reliability over previous versions. As for ports, there are plenty. You get 5 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB Type-C ports that support data transfer, video output, and even power delivery. There's an HDMI 2.0 port, a DisplayPort 1.4, an SD 4.0 card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. You can run multiple monitors, hook up an external GPU, and still have room for your peripherals. Now, for gamers and creatives out there, this is more than just a compact PC. With the PCIe 4.0 X8 slot, you can connect an external graphics card, turning this mini machine into a full-fledged gaming or editing station. That level of expandability in such a small form factor is rare and extremely welcome. On the reliability side, Beelink backs this product with 24/7 customer service, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year warranty. They even provide assistance with BIOS updates, graphics driver issues, and memory diagnostics if you run into problems. Just contact them with your unit's barcode, and they'll guide you step by step. In terms of everyday use, the GTi14 runs quiet, efficient, and cool. The internal cooling system does an excellent job keeping temperatures in check, even during intense sessions. The built-in power supply also means fewer cables and a cleaner setup. If you're a professional who needs portability without sacrificing performance, a gamer who wants a stealthy, upgradable rig, or a content creator looking for a capable editing machine, you'll love the GTi14. It's also a fantastic choice for developers, engineers, and AI researchers who can benefit from the integrated NPU's 34.5 trillion operations per second of AI computing power. To sum it all up, the Beelink GTi14 Mini PC is a small machine that punches well above its weight. With cutting-edge hardware, AI integration, blazing fast connectivity, and a sleek, secure design, it's not just a mini PC. It's a next-gen desktop experience in a pint-sized package. If you've been holding off on getting a mini PC because you didn't want to compromise on power or features, the GTi14 is proof that you no longer have to.